Hi everyone, this is how to hard reset Asus ZEN Wi-Fi XT9, but before taking a pin and pressing this button, watch the full video and I will show you some life hack that will make you a smart and advanced user. Let's get into it. Well, what I've meant telling you a life hack word. Imagine your router has lots of settings, like VPN, internet settings, quality of service, parental controls, and so on. If you reset your router, you have to set up everything from scratch after a new network setup, but you can avoid this. You can create backup of your settings and restore just in 1 second. How to do this? As you can see in the settings menu, then you need to scroll down and find system settings and find settings backup. Then just hit here, but before this, make sure you're logged into your Asus account. If you don't have an account, you can easily just create one by tapping here on the home screen. Tap at the top left and then hit here and create your account. It's very easy because they support Google login, Facebook login, Apple login, and so on. Then go to settings and save your backup. Why do you need an account? Because if you will save settings without account and then delete the application, the settings will be deleted as well. But if you create an account, the settings will be saved to your cloud account. So save settings. Then after new router setup, you can go back here in this menu and restore your router just in 1 second. That's pretty it. However, if you still need a fresh start without any backups, you can take your router, press this button with a pin or paper clip, just press and hold. Now you see the indicator is blinking and you can release the button and your router will be restart and reset. That's pretty it, guys. I hope this was helpful. If yes, consider to subscribe to our channel, hit the like button to support us. Any questions, comment below and be awesome. Bye guys.